To delete a vendor record, select the vendor record that you want to delete from your vendor list. We can select Delete Vendors from the I Want To list, or we can choose Delete from the blue button on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you're prompted, confirm the deletion and specify if you want to delete the vendor from QuickBooks as well. If you are deleting a vendor because you have duplicates, consider merging the records instead, as this will combine the two vendor histories into one record and remove the other. Deleting a vendor record does not affect inventory items or history documents. The vendor remains in place in both of those areas, and reports can still be generated for the deleted vendor. We recommend deleting the vendor in QuickBooks if prompted, to guard against accidental deletion. If a vendor record is deleted in only one program, it is recreated upon the next financial exchange. Note that if the vendor is listed on documents in QuickBooks, the record is made inactive instead of deleting it. Making the vendor inactive also prevents a record from being recreated with the next financial exchange. If you delete a vendor but later list that vendor on a receiving voucher by referencing a purchase order listing the vendor, for example, the vendor record is recreated in both Point of Sale and QuickBooks with the next financial exchange. Our next video will demonstrate how to make a vendor inactive.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about Point of Sale. Thank you, everybody.